Nice spot. It's a perfect spot for your pee-pee right there. Oh man, this is a weird one. Boys, we are pulling out from my house right now. I got all of my stuff in here. And well, I'm moving away for the summer. I'm excited to announce to you guys that I will be living in North Carolina for this summer. Now, long story short, basically, Miller asked me if I wanted to come live with him for the summer. He had an extra bedroom and I said hell yeah. So 2 days ago I packed up my stuff and we're on the road to Charlotte. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Ryan. I like dirt bikes, cars, and anything with motors or wheels, to be honest. I'm a YouTube editor, and now I guess I'm gonna be living in Charlotte with all the boys for the summer. Right now I got an 8-hour drive ahead of me, and you guys know the drill. I'm gonna pick you up at Miller's house. We're going to Mudbash this weekend. It's gonna be so hype. I'm excited, guys. We're gonna have Garrett there, Christian, Braydon, Kyle, and everybody else they know that's gonna be down there, and it's gonna be a good time. I cannot wait. Me and Garrett are gonna drink so much beer, it's gonna be insane. But I got a long drive ahead of me, so we're gonna do a little flippy transition thing. You guys know the deal by now. We're gonna be at Miller's in like 2 seconds. And just like that, boys, we have arrived. Now, for me, it hasn't been 8 hours. I think I said 8 hours when I first picked up the camera, but it's been about 6. I actually made really good time, and we're here. There's Miller's truck. He's actually at work right now. He's still editing for Deegs, so he's not gonna be here for probably another hour or so, but I got the whole truck to unload because all my stuff is in there, and this is what I'm gonna be calling home for the next 3 months. So this whole summer we're gonna be making content with Miller, Braydon, Garrett, Kyle, all those guys. Can be so much fun. And Christian, you know me and Christian gotta go hit the track. But I'm gonna start unloading the truck for right now and wait for Miller to get home, and then I'll pick back up the camera. Well, boys, I got here at 4 o'clock and it is currently 7. Oh my God, you scared me.
Ryan, what is it what you plug into your car to scan it?
A code reader.
No, but what port is it called?
OBD2.
Thank you! They call it 11.
Who?
Vincent Hadley. They call it
OBD11? Why? Oh, because of the 2 lines?
Yeah, but it's like Times New Roman, right?
Yeah, it's 2.
Yeah. How's it going, Ryan's Vlog? We're back at it. Welcome to the crib. Have you already given them a tour?
No. I haven't given them. I haven't even picked up the camera. Dude, what happened? Did Deegan keep you hostage or something? What's going on?
Bro, they're sitting there and they're like, oh, let's do this, this, and this. I'm like, I gotta go. It's time to go to Mudbash, baby.
Let's go. Go with the green one.
Is there a key?
No, there's not a key. It's not a trail bike. Well, I mean, it kind of is.
Any throttle or no?
No, fuel injected. There you go.
I'll take the green one.
She's got some pep in her step. Well, boys, we pretty much got everything loaded up. I say everything, but we still got a lot of stuff to get. But we have this whole trailer. It's kind of awesome, actually, because we can like change clothes in here, chill, and have a drink of water without having to be in the sun. So it's gonna be a good time. Tomorrow morning, we are riding dirt bikes. We're gonna have a moto vlog for you guys. So stay tuned, and I will pick you guys up tomorrow morning. All right, boys, it is currently almost 1 in the morning. It's 12:50, and we're about to head to Busco. We just got to Miller's house. That's where we're staying for the weekend. Yeah, I thought I was gonna pick you guys up tomorrow morning, but we're going to see the boys. We don't have any machines with us. We unhooked the trailer. We're gonna head to Busco and see what's up. Wake his ass up.
What's up?
Hey, lady boys.
Hey. Where's Christian? Where's Christian?
Oh, Christian.
Yeah. No fucking way. What's up, buddy? Ryan, what's up?
What's up, dude?
How's it going?
Oh, so sweet. Look at them. Like twins.
I did not expect you.
So happy out here. It's cracking. How many people?
What, y'all sleeping already?
Yeah, 20.
Yeah.
Damn, y'all some big.
Yeah. Bud, what's up, bud?
I'll give you a hug. I'll give you a hug.
What's up, bud?
I'm not giving you a hug. You probably smell like shit.
How you doing?
Tired.
Tired? What do you mean? Did we wake you up?
Yo.
The coffee about didn't let us in. I don't know why.
Really?
Oh boy.
Right.
Oh yeah. Really?
It's getting real big out here, baby.
There's not a ton of people here yet.
Not yet, but there will be, dude.
Yeah, there will be. Dude, this place is huge.
Oh yeah.
We got the VIP vendor lot.
Oh, something
Heck
like
yeah,
that.
dude.
Something like that.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We are, we just arrived at Busco. Oh, is that Performance East?
Yeah.
Dang, dude, they got some rigs. So, boys, today we are riding dirt bikes, and we're gonna make a little moto vlog for you guys. So, and then I'm not sure what the rest of the day holds. going into the night, but for now we're gonna get the bikes ready and go rip. Well boys, that's Miller's ride now. Long story short, we had the blue bike, my dad's bike from Miller to ride, and well, it failed to plug as soon as we got here. Yeah, my luck, right? Luckily, Performance East was nice enough to let Miller ride this bad boy. This thing's actually pretty sweet. Hey, the pit bike's nicer than the 250 is. You got an upgrade. You ready to go rip, bro?
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah, oh yeah. That's a 125. That thing's got some pepper. Hey, we got a drag race. You'll probably beat me. Let's go, boys. First day of Mudbash. I'm hyped, dude. I'm hyped. Let's go. Let's go. Man, this whole place is just a big like sand pit. Sketch. Also got to be careful for side-by-sides coming up these hills. Oh, it stalled. First stall of the day.
Alright, we're going this way. They're back this way.
Alright. Dude, this place is so sick. I mean, is it good for dirt bikes? No. But it's good for literally everything else. Say the dirt bikes are good for getting around the park though. You can go fast on these things. That's fun.
450, right?
Yeah.
450.
Yeah, we're definitely drag racing and he's gonna beat me.
Oh, dude, I'm watching his ass.
Dude, you already got a mud spot right on your nose.
His dad's bike's out of plug. We ain't gonna change it or plug.
Started yesterday.
Oh.
Makes no sense.
What kind of bike is it?
It's a YZ250 FX.
You know, Miller got me those for my birthday. Bike.
Do I look cool?
Yeah.
Do I look badass yet? I'm ready to shred the gnar, dude. Getting wild out here. These are gonna be sweaty now, sorry.
Thanks.
Miller, you should send that thing through the 50/50.
You need to fucking send it into the fucking junkyard. It's all up.
He was ripping that thing all the way here. It's the perfect size for him. Now's a really good time where I wish I had a kickstand.
Oh yeah. What's it like to ride a 450?
Big 450 guy for a big old guy. Well, we've been here for probably an hour, but then I had to deal with the fucking Yamaha for my GoPro.
No. Come on, you know it goes right here.
No. I was talking to Christian about it. I need to get one. It looks so much better. But then I just look like a goon with my GoPro right here on my chin. Look like a fucking...
Would you rather look like a goon and get the shot, or not look like a goon and get a terrible shot?
Probably goon. I look like a goon anyways.
Nice spot.
It's a perfect spot for your pee-pee right there.
Probably fit too.
You look sticky.
Yeah, you want a hug?
No, I don't. No, I don't want a hug. Hell yeah. Woo, that shit loud. Whoa. Don't hit me, BP. Ah. Dang, that hole looks crazy, dude. That looks so much fun. Woo, them X3s kick up so much dust. Oh boy, it's starting to rain. Where'd everybody go? I don't know where they went either. Sick, dude. Yeah, let me just send it through the hole. Following the trap wagon. So this event is pretty fucking crazy. Miller was telling me that last year 4 or 5 people died because of wrecks, which is absolutely crazy. I just couldn't believe that. But I mean, I guess when you got like a whole week of, you know, yee-yees doing this and drinking beer. But dude, 4 or 5 people, that's wild. Definitely gotta be careful. Dude, Christian's moving that Defender. That thing's getting it. I already got so much dust in my mouth. That girl looks hammered already. soft. Oh, that's their track. That looks interesting. I'm gonna check it out. I'll find them later. Woo, all sandy. Woo, burn blast galore, dude. That is not clearable at all. Alright, I'm gonna try and hit that jump. Faster for that one. These jumps are all like real smooth. They don't really have a peak on them where you can like really clear them. Yeah, none of these jumps are like clearable unless you're going like 60 miles an hour. Alright, I think I'm gonna go back to the truck, get some more tear-offs. Well, boys, I just realized that my GoPro was destroyed in mud. So that's great. Reminder to wipe off the GoPro. I'm used to going to the track, not Mudbash, you know what I'm saying? Note to self, wipe the GoPro, because it will get filthy. I should have made a video where I had like the rules of Mudbash, because I forgot my raincoat. That should have been rule number 1. It's already raining. All right, boys, me and Miller are gonna hit the track for a little bit, and then I guess I'm grabbing the vlog camera and we're gonna ride in a Defender. Sick so far, dude. So much fun, and we got Friday, Saturday, and Sunday to do this exact same thing. It's gonna be so much fun. Yeah! He's kind of ripping. Oh, that was weird. I shifted into neutral. Shortcut! Shortcut!
Dude, I want to ride tracks. This is fun.
Yeah, I know, right?
Dude, what?
Just wait till we get my dad's bike running. Oh, I got arm pump. My handsies hurt. Get the good angles. I know you know them. Hey. Oh, yeah. Try a little stoppy. Woo! Oh, that didn't work. Let's watch Miller. I haven't even seen him hit this yet. Oh yeah! Woo! I got a kicker on that. I hit it in the wrong spot. Woo! The lip is getting back. I got sketchy the past 2 times.
Dude, I need a third bike. I'm getting too busy.
Convinced him.
You gotta get one.
He has one for the summer. All right, I gotta hit it again without looking stupid. Oh! I can't do a stoppy. I'm so scared. Ah! Fun. Time to get the backpack. There you go. Oh, no footer! Alright, boys, we're gonna go and end off this video. It's a pretty good moto vlog, I'd say. Yeah, we definitely got to get the shenanigans on film, but I'm gonna put down the vlog and have a good time with my friends. So I will catch you guys in the next video, which is probably tomorrow, maybe? I'm not sure. I might have a moto vlog and then have like a highlight kind of reel for the whole trip. But yeah, that was the first day of Mudbash. I'd say it was a pretty good day. Please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.